Welcome to Mission 2, Lesson 5. In this lesson, our goal is to be able to use area models to multiply numbers. We will know we have been successful when we are able to multiply those numbers using area models and complete Mission 2, Lesson 5 on Zearn.org. You've probably used area models before and may not have known what they were called. If you have, this should look pretty familiar to you. However, given what we have learned in Mission 2 so far, we can now take this and upgrade it so that we can make it even simpler for us to use to solve problems. Let's take a look at a problem. We can simplify our usage of area models in order to make it easier to come up with answers. I'm going to first start by drawing my area model. Because I have a two-digit number times a two-digit number, I'm going to have two spaces in my area. I'm not going to draw 4 the way you may have done it in the past because I don't need to break these down as much as I would have. In this case, 21 is going to stay together up at the top. And I'm going to break down 23 into the two place values. I have a 3 in my ones place and 20 or 2 in the tens place. 2 tens is 20. So now I can do the same multiplication that I've been doing before and put them in the boxes. 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 times 2 is 6. I know that if I am multiplying by multiples of 10, such as 20, I have 1 0 in my problem, and so I'm going to put 1 0 here in the ones place. And then I can multiply. 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. Now, I just have to add them together, and that gives me 483. If I were to solve this using a standard algorithm, a traditional way of solving a multiplication problem, I would do so like this. Notice that when I started out, I was multiplying 21 by 3, which is what I was doing right here. And I have the same answer for that part of the problem. And down here, I multiplied 20 times 21. And I have the same answer for that part of the problem. Then when these are added together, I come up with the same answer. Let's try another one together. 143 times 12. I'm going to draw my area. The 143 stays together. And there are two places in my 12, so I need two pieces of my area. I have a 2 in the ones place, and then I have one set of 10. And now I'm just going to multiply. There's 1 0 in my problem. If I were to use the standard algorithm, which is just the traditional way of multiplying, now I add these together. Notice that I have the same partial answer here and the same partial answer here. And then if I were to add these together, I have the complete answer here. Hope this helps.